Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been a while since I have been on here, but it's because I recently moved to a new apartment. We were just in the midst of moving and it's just too much to have to make a video. I'm back though, and I'm back with another video, and today I am making Mississippi chicken, but I'm using a whole chicken, so it's a little bit different. That's what I'm making today, so let's get into it. So I have my whole chicken right here. I'm not sure how many pounds this is because it was in a 2-pack, so it doesn't have how many pounds this one is, but I'm assuming between 3 to 5 pounds. So with that, I am actually doubling, doing 2 brown gravy packs, and then I'm going to be doing 2 packs of ranch seasoning, which equates to 6 tablespoons of this. And then I'm just going to do the rest of this jar of banana peppers that I have. Yes, I know it calls for pepperoncinis, but I always felt like the pepperoncinis were a bit too spicy for my liking and my family's liking, and I have a little 1-year-old, so I went with the mild banana peppers. So I'm going to open this up, rinse it off, put it in the crock pot. I just got a new crock pot. It is non-stick and it's awesome. I don't even need to use crock pot liners most of the time anymore. So I'm just going to open this up then and get this in there, and we'll go from there. I have my chicken all rinsed in the crock pot, and what I'm going to do now is basically just dump all the ingredients in. Dump and go, super simple. I'm going to cook this on low for 6 hours. You can do low for 6 to 7 hours or high for 4 to 5 hours, I believe. I always do low and it's done within about 5 to 6 hours. On my this crock pot runs really high, just like the last one I was using. So this one will probably only take 5.5, 6 hours at most before it's falling off the bone. So I will come back to you when it is all done. So this has been going for 5.5 hours. I already took the lid off and just kind of poured some of the juices over top with this baster thing, just to get, because there was kind of clumps of stuff on top. I wanted to get evenly distributed into there. So this is definitely done. It's at like 180, 190 degrees. I checked the temp. So what I do now is I basically just pull it out and take all the meats off of the carcass and then throw it back in the juices and then serve it up. And there you have it, a whole chicken Mississippi style. So here's the chicken. It literally fell off the bone when I lifted the whole chicken. So I didn't even really have to take it out to take it off the bone. It just fell right off super easily. Super tender, falling apart. Got some nice gravy from the juices. You can use chicken gravy instead of beef brown gravy, but it just tastes better this way. And then I got some little baby potatoes going in my air fryer. I gotta do it in batches or else it'll just be way too much. So got that going, and everything should be done soon. And I just opened up a can of peas. My son really likes peas, and so everything will be plated up real soon here. Who's that? Who's that baby? Look it, it's you!